Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful that you decided to stop by and check out my channel. I hope you enjoy the content and that you hit the subscribe button so we could stay connected going forward. To say the least, I am exhausted, and today I had all the intention of cleaning the whole house and capture it on camera and share it with you. However, as I was finishing cleaning out my room, I was carrying the baskets downstairs with the laundry, and apparently I pulled the sciatic nerve again, and I had to stop cleaning and just listen to my body and take care of it. And sometimes that's all we could do. But I'm here to inspire you, to encourage you, and I hope as you watch this video that you either cleaning with me or you're just doing some self-love and taking care of yourself. This basket over here I picked up at the thrift store for $2. The thrift store here in New Jersey is called Inspiration. Not quite sure if you have one around your house, but I liked it and I said to myself, I must have it. So here it is. I am putting it on top of my yoni steam. And if you don't know what a yoni steam is, let me introduce you to some feminine care. A yoni steam, it's a vaginal spa that women do usually after they have their monthly cycle, and it's also very healing for the women that have given birth. Here I am also showing you this dry brush that I purchased. It's a scrub, so you brush yourself. I do it every night, and basically it's because your skin dies every single day. It basically goes into a 7-day cycle. So if you brush off with a special brush like this one that I picked up at Five Below, it keeps your skin smooth and renewed. And I cannot reiterate anything else and perhaps in these videos because I'm always looking like a mess. I am not your content creator that puts a lot of makeup and wears pretty clothes. I'm always sweating, to be honest with you. But I do take care of myself, and I hope that made somebody laugh because I'm just this girl that you're seeing here. This is how you're gonna catch me at the supermarket. And when I go to work, I do put makeup on, and when I go out, it takes me hours to get ready because I really get into it. I even put fake hair on. But day to day, this is the Mariana you're going to catch whatever you see me at. So I hope that you take me as I am. But anyhow, let's go back to what I wanted to tell you, which is self-care. Whatever you do, make sure you're drinking your water, you're taking your vitamins, you're listening to your body, and you're taking care of yourself. Because guess what? We need to learn how to love ourselves so we can pour love to others. And that includes our family, our friends, our neighbors, our pets. The more you pour into yourself, the more you're going to be able to give up. It is easier said than done, but I hope that this week you get to pause. This is going to be a very chatty video. I actually decided to hang up both of my mirrors because as I went back to work this week, things are getting out of hand. So the list I have and as anything that I can hang up so I can go and vacuum, it's going to save me time and it's going to give me peace of mind. Now, I am going to warn you, you are going to see me vacuum a million times in this video, and this is real life. We have 2 German shepherds that they shed insanely. Here it is, the proof. It's all over the house. And as much as we try not to allow them into the rooms, they're always on guard. They want to be at least on the floor. And it is just insane how much hair we have. And because I have been neglecting the vacuum throughout the week, my room is a mess. So yes, you're going to see me vacuum at least 3 times. And the hair is sticking out to my feet. So wherever I'm going, I'm trying to vacuum. The products that I'm using to clean usually upstairs, which is where the rooms are, I like the Jaws product. This video is not sponsored. I've been using them for about a year now. And I have allergies, I have skin rashes. And what I found for myself is that this products are affordable, but they're also very gentle in my hands. Now, I must tell you, I like doing the dishes and I do not wear gloves. And I also don't wear gloves to clean the bathrooms. And when I do those two tasks, I usually use stronger products. But again, life it's about balance, and this is balance for me. Using these products that they come to your house, it's balance. And, it's again another token of a little bit of self care. Let me know in the comments down below what are your favorite products, and particularly if you know of any natural products that you use and that they work for you. This chest bench holds all the materials that I have in progress. While you're seeing me folding and putting away, here's a piece of cloth that I purchased from the same thrift store I got the basket. And it's because I have to make a little curtain for the school. And underneath my dresser, I also have some cloth that I purchased. It's actually the one you use when you're painting. I'm also going to be doing some curtains, and I actually want to do them for my room. But share with me, how are you doing? How are you holding it all together? How was your first back to school week? Did you go crazy? Did it meet all your expectations? Did you had a plan? Were you ready with all the materials, or are you rushing to the store this weekend to buy whatever the teachers ask you to get? Are the kids excited? Tell me anything. I want to know, do you have to pack your lunches? Did you have to wake up earlier? And did you rush in the morning? And just be real with me. Was it smooth, or, were you like losing it for a while because things were not flowing perhaps the way you want them to be? I also want to know, are your kids in extracurricular activities? My youngest son, Matthew, he's in the swimming team. So starting Monday, he also is going to be doing that plus school. And then, my oldest son, Isaiah, we are in football season. So I actually fell asleep on Friday and couldn't go to his game, which it was probably a good thing, because as you could tell, I have not recovered my voice since the previous Friday's game. So maybe it was meant to be for me to miss that game. I feel a little sad because this is his senior year and I do not want to miss his games. I want to be there. So tell me anything you want to tell me. And as you're watching me clean, if you have any tips for me that I can implement in my routine, I truly appreciate it. So I'm looking forward for your comments. As you can see, hair everywhere. I don't know if you caught that, but on my night table, my shepherd's hair, it's like all over the place. Just one more thing, because in the beginning I mentioned how when I'm cleaning I don't have makeup on, and when I'm sharing stuff with you, this is the real me. But I have some amazing friends here on YouTube that I look forward to see them every time they drop a new video, because I am just amazed how they carry themselves and the grace how they clean their houses. And I have this particular friend, and like she puts her cute dresses on and does her hair, and I just adore her. Like I admire her. Like honestly, I can see that these women, everything she does it with a lot of love, and I hope she knows who she is. She's gonna drop a video tomorrow, Monday, and she always drops a video on Thursday. And actually, I'll probably gonna put a picture of her over here, because you need to go and check out her channel. She's my inspiration. So this is just me, but I love anything that can uplift me and challenge me to my next level. And like my friend, and her name is Anastasia, she does that for me. So let's listen to some music while we do some more cleaning.
Turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. The only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
Friend, from the bottom of my heart, I'm reaching over this screen and giving you a hug and tell you that you got this. And if during this week things fall apart, just remember this. We are in a journey that is not perfect, and we could always reset ourselves and try our best. So don't freak out, don't go insane, but if you do, give yourself grace and reset yourself and start again. I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.